Do your car battery terminals look like this? Well, don't wait until you're stranded. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to keep your car battery running like new, and I'll also show you how to prevent corrosion in the future. First up, if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and do me a huge favor, click the like button and hit subscribe. Here's the first step, and probably one of the most important steps to cleaning your battery. If you have an acid plume that looks like this, do not use a wire brush. Scrubbing these with a wire brush can cause lead rust particles to become airborne. As a healthier alternative, I recommend heating some hot water and pouring it directly over your battery terminals. This eliminates the acid plume without causing the particles to become airborne. Water from a water cooler is usually warm enough to do the trick. With the acid plume out of the way, we can grab the rest of the supplies needed to complete the cleaning process. My go-to supplies have been linked below. Take your 10mm wrench and, starting with the negative battery terminal first, disconnect your battery terminals. Here's how to mix up a battery terminal cleaning solution at home. Grab your cup and your baking soda and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to your cup. Next, you're going to run over to your favorite sink and mix up a 1 part baking soda to 1 part water solution. This doesn't have to be exact. Grab your toothbrush and stir until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Use the toothbrush to gently scrub the battery terminals and cables. Using the baking soda mixture with the toothbrush allows you to neutralize any acid while cleaning the terminals and cables. Next, we're going to wipe everything down to make sure that the baking soda and water mixture is off all of the components. If you have stubborn corrosion that the toothbrush and baking soda is not removing, you can use this battery terminal cleaning brush to remove any remaining corrosion on the terminals and cables. Very simple to use. The round end is used for the terminals and the pointy end is used for the cables. Make sure to wipe everything clean after you're done using the battery terminal cleaning brush. Next up, I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent corrosion in the future, starting with these battery terminal protectors. Batteries emit acidic vapors that can land on the terminals, causing corrosion. These terminal protectors prevent that by not allowing the vapors to travel up and land on the terminals. Next, we can reinstall the battery cables, starting with the positive cable. Grab your 10mm wrench and tighten the cable. Then do the same with the negative terminal. To go one step further with the corrosion protection, I recommend using silicone dielectric grease on both the positive and the negative battery terminals. And finally, don't forget to reinstall any terminal covers.